What's up guys, back again, another video. So getting a bit of work done on the Corolla at the moment. So got the rear end all put back together, that's back on its wheels now. So just bolted the hubs back in and a few other things. I still have to put new wheel bearing hubs and everything like that in, brakes and stuff. But for now I need to get this off the hoist to get the hoist fixed, because the hoist has actually sprung a leak out of the ram. So need to get that sorted and fixed, so then we can get the Valiant Ute onto the hoist to start stripping out all the K-frame and engine and everything like that. But at the moment the Corolla's stuck because it's got no wheels under it. So we'll be already done the rear end, so next step is to, when this turns around, is to get all of this put into it. So we've got the new steering rack, well not new steering rack, the steering rack out of it that I've painted up, new steering rack boots, tie rod ends, rack ends, and the steering rack bushes and everything like that. So get all that in, then I've got the K-frame to go in, which still needs to be painted and everything, but I do have to pull all this back out again anyway when I get back stuck into it, because I have to fit all the engine and everything like that. So when that comes back out to put the engine in, I'll quickly paint all of that stuff up and mount all the motor into it and put all that back in. But at the moment the goal is just to get this front end back together, put all the new parts of the steering rack in so I don't have to worry about it, and get this out of the shed and into the house garage for the time being, so I can get more done on the Valiant Ute. So that's it. Let's get stuck into getting some stuff fitted to this car.
Yeah, the movie, I think, like, the whole premise of it, like, the shop shutting down and all the bullshit going on, and the
I have
57, it's just cool,
the
right? Like,
wrong
it's just,
ones.
it'd be like almost like Basic and
Gosh
Confused.
darn it.
Like, it's fun to watch. Like, you watch it,
Well,
pick it up at any point. I
that's
think
no
all of them are nice and
surprise.
good. I bet, how many people say more than 60 seconds you'll talk to?
Well, gotta put the old ones back in.
Any advice that you would give a newcomer coming into the industry?
Oh, I've preached it to a lot of people. Don't be scared to work from the bottom.
Yep.
Like, push the fucking
They're
buttons.
different
I hate
size.
whenever I have to feel like I have to instruct every
Different
single
size
person,
ends.
every single
Sick.
person. But just think for yourself, if you know
Price
something
things
needs
for
to be done,
101
like, oh my
Corolla,
gosh, when I start
102
hiring people
Corolla.
again, I said,
Gets
you can't
God
find me.
knows
You
what
can't find
in the
something to
mail.
do. Fucking clean. I'll never get on.